Welcome to Mountain Villa in the heart of Lonavala, a perfect retreat for families and friends looking to unwind and make unforgettable memories. We recently stay here as a family, and let me tell you, this place has everything to make your trip extra special. Mountain Villa is beautiful 3 BHK property, and the moment you step in, you are greeted by its warm and cozy vibes. And for the little ones, there is delightful play area right here. It's safe, spacious, and keeps the kid entertained while the grown-up relax. The villa's location is another plus point. It's just a few minutes away from the Dino Park, a must-visit spot if you are in Lonavala. After a fun day exploring, coming back to this relaxing heaven felt like the perfect start of the day. This villa's check-in time is 1 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. Our stay at Mountain Villa was everything we could ask for. Fun, comfort, and unforgettable moments with the family. But what really steals the show is this stunning swimming pool, perfect for adults who want to chill and kids who want to splash. It's an absolute hit for everyone. Inside the villa is impressive. It has a beautiful kitchen if you want to cook food for yourself. The all three bedrooms are really comfy and it has a beautiful gallery. Now let me tell you about Mauli, the caretaker who stays right beside the property. He's an absolute gem. I forget my phone charger at home and guess what? Mauli helped me buy a new one in no time. And as the sun sets, we came to swimming pool. We enjoyed a lot. And then we spent our evening in the garden playing with my little daughter, and then we had a delicious dinner, and then we wind up. Whether it's for a quick weekend getaway or a longer holiday, this Airbnb has our word for the perfect place to stay in Lonavala. Until next time, Mountain Villa.